Hello guys, so this is how for make money online. This is a 7 step money brave for beginners. Step 1 about brave. This is break like Chrome, Firefox. When you download here, and you can use faster no ads, and save with times, and earn money for we. And step 1, dollars, and use brave in here. Okay, so this is brave. Download brave free now here. You choose here. Wait a minute. You see my pen around here and move here. Okay. When your friend click here, download Brave and Brave auto download. Yeah. This is my app, and I download, and I'm open and use like Chrome or Firefox. Okay, so easy. So step number 2. Step number 1 for my friend. Step number 2 for you. For you, my friend, when you watching my video. Here, step 2, sign up. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, sign up. Publisher, passive, basic Ketonson token. Sorry about my English. So so easy. Step 2 have 2 steps. Number 1, you can search on Google. Sorry. Yeah. You can search on Google is a publisher Brave, and you go. In here you can see login or sign up. If you don't have account Brave publisher, you can sign up here, and you drive your email here. Okay, email your email, and when you drive your email here and you click get started, okay, I'd go back your email and check for boss. Okay, step number 2, you can click my click my link and go straight. Okay, you can choose sign up or login, Okay, so we go to this email. Where my email? Okay, my email here. So here, my email. My email. When we try my email, your email. Okay, your email, on box email, you get the link and you login break reward. It's the beginner. Beginner is a link verify here. And someday you want to connect with publisher Brave or Brave Rewards. Okay, you can you work like me and send me a new link. Okay, and come back the email and F5 refresh. Okay, click here, login Brave Rewards. Okay, you see a bag, a bar here. This OOOBAT for beginner. The painting, yeah. I have one download. Okay. I have two link. Link number one is here. Link number two, you can connect your YouTube channel. So get the link referral here. We have very much the link, but YouTube very easy. You click here and choose your channel. Okay, I have many channel here. You can choose one. Okay, come back. When you choose one, channel, you click here to receive the link. Referral link. You can one account or one account YouTube. So get a referral link. Number two. Step. Okay, next step. Okay, we get step 3, connect YouTube. Step number 4, sign up with Uphold wallet. Okay, this is a verify because you see the here Brave with the BAT coin. When you connect the BAT coin, you have here it's like 1,000, 8,000. Okay, you connect your Uphold very easy. You can download about CH Play or App Store here and search like a beginner Uphold and connect here. When to open, we open. I want to slide screen. Hey. Okay, slide screen, you profile, and security, okay, very easy to connect. When you working done, when you work done, you click here, connect with the Uphold, and it's auto. You see, auto. And next step, you connect sync up account Remitano. You can click my link. Okay. And after next step 6, you get the link affiliate or referral link over there. I have a link like here. Wait me. When you click a referral link about Brave Creator, you have here my email here. Right here, hi. Here you can right here. Download here. You copy this link and you share to everywhere. This step 7. Share link everywhere. When your friend click and download Brave and use about 30 days is 1 month, and you have you earn money, about here. You earn money. Group 1 you have $7.5. Group 2, group 5. Okay, we see the grid. You need to make people in here in United States, US. Okay, US you have 7.5. Group 2 you have 6.5. Australia, Canada, France, Germany, England, Japan, New Zealand, UK. You see, group 3 or group 4. Okay, you saw, and here group 5. So if you want get money for faster and for very much, you click here. You find somebody live in the US and tell them download Brave and use. So after 30 after one day like me, after one day you have here the count 1. Okay, if today you make very faster, very well, very smart, you can get 50 or 100 people download, and here's confirm is that mean the one people use over 30 days, 1 month. Okay, one people use 1 month, you have $. Okay, this confirmation. The confirmation is one people use 30 days, and so you get $. Okay, you understand? When you have $, here you change BAT and you change the Bitcoin and you change your wallet. your wallet about I have a broadcast the video for you when we receive the money, and you can understand. Yeah, first of all, first one we get here, get the link and share to everywhere. And if you want to faster, you can share for group. Okay, group about the group for here, group about England here, everywhere. When you MMO, there's many here, or Makemoneyonline. You see, okay, Makemoneyonline. You understand? Makemoneyonline. When you share here, you tell them, oh hey my friend, are you want to make money? Make money, $1 or $2 or $3,000 or $5,000, and you download here. Or number two, step number two, and you how number two, you can share for your friend and download link and use like Firefox and Chrome, and because it's faster and no IDS. You see? Okay, and well done. This is seven step. Have you, have me, have everywhere when you meet, and help them earn money when we at home, when we have free time. You also I don't see this is don't have you download here and wait and don't work it. Okay, work it as get money. Okay, don't work it, don't money. You see me understand? Okay, so good luck, and if you have a question, you send me about in my video about my inbox Facebook. So thank you and good luck. Have a good day. My name is Rio Dollars.